Hello and welcome, friends. You're watching Napoleon Hill 2.0, the channel where we unlock the timeless secrets of success, wealth, and personal greatness. Today's topic is critical. Why are you not successful? And the answer might be more uncomfortable than you think. You're wasting time. If you truly want to change your life, you must watch this video till the end, because today, we're exposing the real hidden enemy that's silently destroying your potential. Napoleon Hill once said, open quote, "The person who wastes time waiting for the perfect conditions will never get anything done." Close quote. Waiting for the right time is the perfect excuse, and it's ruining millions of lives. Let's uncover the real reasons you'd be wasting your time. Top reasons people waste time. 1. Indecision. You postpone small decisions. You hesitate, you wait, but later becomes never. Indecision is the silent killer of dreams. 2. Fear of failure. You're afraid to start because you might fail. You fear judgment, criticism, embarrassment, but while you wait, your chances die a slow death. 3. Fake busyness. You look busy, scrolling through social media, over-planning, gossiping, but in reality, you're avoiding real action. You're active, but not productive. Napoleon Hill's formula for time mastery. 1. Definite purpose. Know exactly what you want. If you don't have a clear destination, every path will lead you nowhere. 2. Organized planning. Structure your day. Every morning, write down the 3 most important tasks you must complete, no matter what. 3. Decision power. Successful people make quick, firm decisions, and they stick to them. 4. Eliminate time wasters. Avoid negativity, drama, and aimless scrolling. Your time is currency. Don't spend it on people or habits that drain your future. Here's the truth. Your time is your most valuable asset. Until you respect your time, no book, no mentor, and no video, not even this one, can change your life. Only you can. Closing call to action engagement question. So if this video gave you even one powerful insight, if it made you reflect even for a second, then here's your next step. Comment below and tell me, Chash, where do you waste the most time each day, and what will you do to fix it starting today? Let's hold ourselves accountable and help others do the same. And if you want more powerful, mind-shifting videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe to Napoleon Hill 2.0, share this video with someone who needs to stop wasting time and start building their future. Because here at Napoleon Hill 2.0, success isn't a dream. It's a mission, and you are part of it. Until next time, stay focused, stay driven.